The month of December is full of celebrations and good cheer. The Christmas spirit brings with it interesting trivia about Santa and everything else surrounding Christmas. Did you know that there was once a real-life Santa Claus? Saint Nicholas, the Christian bishop, was a generous gift-giving clergyman who lived in Turkey. He devoted his life to helping the poor. He is the inspiration behind the jolly man we all know and love as Santa. Have you ever thought how fast would Santa's sleigh have to travel to deliver presents to all the children around the world? Factoring in the number of children who celebrate Christmas around the world, which is around 700 million, Santa's sleigh would have to travel at 6 million miles per hour. Phew! There's more to surprise us. Americans are estimated to spend more than $1 trillion on Christmas holiday shopping. Last but surely not the least, Home Alone is the most successful Christmas movie ever, while Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas stands as the runner-up. The most recorded Christmas song of all time is Silent Night, whereas White Christmas by Bing Crosby holds the Guinness World Record for the best-selling single.
The word of the week is nativity, which means the occasion of a person's birth. The children always perform the nativity play on Christmas.
Can you guess who? This Indian industrialist supports education, medicine, and rural development and is a leading philanthropist. This trained aviator who can fly planes also helped his group of companies soar to heights of success. He received the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan from the government of India. Yes, you guessed it. It is Ratan Tata. Did you know that he created the Tata Nano car because he wanted it to be affordable for the average Indian consumer?
The riddle of the week is, why is Rudolph so good at answering trivia questions? Because he knows a lot.
Dear Eye Graspers, this week we bring a classic autobiographical piece of writing which gives a humorous and partly fictional account of the author's life from the age of 10 to 15 years. The Durrell family, comprising of the author, his siblings and widowed mother, living on the Greek island of Corfu between 1935 and 1939. A vivid account of the fauna and the parallel events occurring in their lives are described in a witty and fun manner full of eccentric characters and their experiences. Family and Other Animals is the first and most well-known of Durrell's Corfu trilogy. Read this exciting story and share your feedback with us on contactus@igrasp.com.
Did you know that around the shortest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere, lots of festivals are celebrated? Collectively, these are called the holidays. These holidays include the Jewish Hanukkah, the Christian Christmas, the African Kwanzaa, and the North European Yuletide.
Quiz time! What is the year's shortest day called? Send your answers to contactus@igrasp.com. Answer for the last week's quiz. The place with the longest name in the world, also known as Tomato Hill, is located in New Zealand. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Debarati Das of St. Augustine's Day School, Barrackpore, for successfully participating in the weekly quiz on India's leading news capsule for tweens, iGrasp.